when gingerbrave saw pancake cookie be like, "Oh hello, I'm gingerbrave. Hmm, I must have been having pancake cookie ready to join me. I do not I'm not sure if I am going to call him. You're not? Hey, stop talking to me. Gingerbread, more like ginger pave. Hmm, what should I do? Oh, I got an idea. That's it. I'm done with you. You get a punishment. And do not ever escape. No, no, no. Oh. What are you doing? Oh. Um, Strawberry Shortcake, I want to talk to you about this. Oh.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't even care about your voice. Why are you loud? Are you crazy?
Um, 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 uh, uh, you know, I have a clue here. You should meet me. So you would wait here while, um, Strawberry Shark talk to me. Strawberry Shark, who did this? Who, who insulted me? Well, pancake cookie.